This journey is very personal and very private, so I did not want to share it with anyone. But then I thought कि कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि कोई बहुत ही डार्क एंड डिप्रेसिंग टाइम से गुजर रहा होता है एंड वो ये सोच रहा होता है कि भगवान वाई डिड यू चूज मी to go through all these things? Why are you giving me so many lessons? And then you see someone going through the exact same journey, exact same problems, and you suddenly seem so validated. Your journey seems so felt and understood, and आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मैं शायद अकेला नहीं हूँ या मैं अकेली नहीं हूँ. And your journey seems normal, very much doable, and you gain some strength, right, from the other people's journey as well. So hence I gathered the courage to share it with you, and here we are. So let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Anindita, and here we talk about spirituality, law of attraction, manifestation, lifestyle, and much more. I got awakened through my divine masculine. Yes, I am in a twin flame journey, and I got awakened back in 2018. And I have been in this spirituality journey since then. So, what happens? What are twin flames? Twin flames are part of the same soul, some say. Some say it's divided into two parts. The soul is divided into two parts. Some say it's the same exact soul in two different bodies. Whatever it is, you just have to understand that it's your own soul that has come to mirror you, that has come to show you how you are behaving with yourself, and that has come to awaken and heal you. So, when I first saw my divine masculine, there was a little bit of soul recognition, which I saw him in his eyes, which happens with, I guess, every twin flame. आप जब अगले बंदे की आँखों में देखते हो तो there is some like deep soul recognition. उसकी आँखों से देख के आपका soul कुछ remember करता है, चाहे आपको consciously कुछ याद हो या ना हो. Then comes the time when one fine day I woke up and I remember कि I saw him in my dream. Mind you, he was my colleague, and हमारे बीच कोई like normal बात भी नहीं होती थी because my team was very big, and हमारे बीच कोई दोस्ती भी नहीं थी, and कोई like it hardly formal communication था. उससे ज़्यादा कोई बात नहीं होती थी, right? तो then I woke up one day and I saw him in my dream. And then the same day we had a office party जहाँ पे जाके like we came a little bit closer, and I felt that intense pull towards him for the very first time. I was like, why am I feeling suddenly so much pull towards this guy? He has been in front of me for so long, but I had never felt that. What is happening here? Then the next day, probably he also felt the same intensity, same connection, but he felt the push. So जितना intensely मैं pull feel कर रही थी अगले बंदे के तरफ, उतना ही intensely he was pushing me away. And like even if I would smile and want to go to talk to him, because my mind was blowing out of proportion, thoughts were like racing in my mind like anything. मतलब 24 घंटे के 24 घंटे I was thinking about the other person and feeling intense pull towards him कि like in a way I want him to sit down in front of me and talk to me. But whenever I tried to do that, tried to even give a smile, he would run away like he has seen some ghost. ठीक है? And he did not do that ever before this. And जब भी he would run away, my soul would feel intense amount of pain. है ना? To the point where he ghosted me energetically and physically, and that broke my soul open. Now logically you cannot even think of this thing कि यार कोई बंदा जिससे मेरी बात भी नहीं हुई है कभी, जिससे लाइक दोस्ती भी नहीं थी, एक नॉर्मल रिलेशनशिप या वैसा कुछ तो बहुत दूर की बात है. वाई वुड हिम बिहेविंग लाइक दैट विथ मी would crack my soul open and give me such an intense pain. Naturally, universe would try to give you answers. So I was like, मैं क्योंकि मैं spiritual बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी, तो मैं ये सब कुछ देखती भी नहीं थी YouTube वगैरह पे उस टाइम पे. But an article regarding twin flame came by itself to me. तो जब मैंने वो पढ़ा सुना, I was like, नहीं, दिस इज़ नॉट माई जर्नी, ये हो ही नहीं सकता. मैं स्पिरिचुअल, मैं ट्विन फ्लेम, नो, नॉट पॉसिबल. इट came back to back to me, like the same similar kind of articles and similar kind of things, but I would always deny. But I would still want that person to come and talk to me. So here I am denying my soul, my journey and everything, and सामने से आई एम वॉन्टिंग द सोल इन द फिजिकल फॉर्म टू कम एंड टॉक टू मी. मैं खुद भाग रही हूँ अपने आप से, अपनी जर्नी से, अपने सोल से, बट आई एम वॉन्टिंग द सेम सोल टू कम एंड टॉक टू मी. ऐसा तो होएगा ही नहीं ना. लाइक इट्स योर ओन सोल. तो आप जैसा बिहेव कर रहे हो वो वैसा ही बिहेव कर रहा है सामने से. वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग तो थी ही नहीं मेरे अंदर, क्योंकि मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कि मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है. Then of course Corona happened. Remember I told you I awakened in 2018, and जब तक 2019 December तक Corona नहीं आया था, I was still doing work in my office and दोस्तों के साथ मिल रही थी, सब कुछ कर रही थी physically, and back of the mind I was dealing with so much pain and so much problems, जो कि मैं अपने आप को काम के बीच में and लोगों के बीच में झोंक के भूल जाना चाहती थी. तो यूनिवर्स सेड टाइम आउट, नाउ यू कैन नॉट रन अवे फ्रॉम योर सेल्फ. कोरोना एंड क्वारंटीन में आई हैड टू फेस माई सेल्फ, क्योंकि मैं उस पेन को लेके और उस डिनायल ऑफ दिस जर्नी को लेके just understand how stubborn how stubborn I was, कि मैं मानना ही नहीं चाहती थी कि मैं ऐसी किसी भी जर्नी में हूँ. It took me 1.5 to 2 years to finally accept that I am in a journey like this. So in quarantine, I had to accept. That's the first thing that you will have to do. And remember that universe is not torturing you with all this. Universe is trying to help you heal and help you attract the best life according to you. And for that, universe has to nudge you and awaken your soul like anything. So that is what happened. Corona में I had to accept it finally, क्योंकि मुझसे और भागा नहीं जा रहा था. I was in literal torture. Every single day, I remember I used to cry every single day. क्योंकि आई वॉज फीलिंग कि आई एम लूजिंग माई लाइफ, आई एम लूजिंग माई माइंड. मुझे लग रहा था कि मेरे को कोई साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम हो चुकी है एंड आई शुड कंसल्ट अ डॉक्टर. वाई एम आई क्राइंग एवरी सिंगल डे? On the full moons, I used to cry like someone has died, because full moons have intense energy and वो आपके अंदर से आपके emotions और बाहर निकालता है. तो full moons में I used to cry like, because my ego self was dying, so and my previous self was dying. तो उसके वजह से there was intense purge जिसे बोलते हैं, that's the purging period, जो वो confusion वाला period होता है after you have encountered your twin flame, after you have awakened. उसके बाद intense purging होती है. You will have to cry it out, you will have to let yourself cry. Please do not try to run away from it. I did that too. And शायद मैं ज़्यादा जल्दी एक्सेप्ट कर लेती तो शायद इतना नहीं, वो पीरियड इतना लंबा नहीं खिंचता. My recommendation to all of you watching this video and somewhere relating to this journey is, please do not run away from your soul. Please do not run away from this journey. अगर आपके पास ये confirmation बार बार आ रहा है that you are a twin flame, accept it. Accept and surrender to this journey. Then comes after the acceptance part, I had to also accept that the all the wounds that came up because of him rejecting me, or that soul level rejection that I went through, that I had to deal all of those wounds as well. मेन वुड्स वुड बी योर चाइल्डहुड वुंड्स, जहाँ आप कभी अबैंडन हुए हो, कभी आपने बहुत ज़्यादा अनसीन, अनहर्ड या अनरिकग्नाइज्ड फील किया है अपने ही केयर गिवर से या अपने आसपास वाले लोगों से, या फिर यू हैव फेल्ट अ डीप डीप हेट्रेड और अ डीप डीप unwanted feeling within you towards yourself because you thought that nobody wants you, so you should not be with yourself, you should not want yourself as well. So you have abandoned somewhere yourself as well. You will have to recognize that. You have to recognize that you have extreme need of outside validation and outside recognition. You would only validate yourself through other people. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा नीड लगती है कि लोग मुझे अच्छा बोलेंगे तभी मैं अपने आप को अच्छा बोल सकता हूँ. And then you don't even know your own divinity, and you will have to accept that as well. So these were the stages I had to awaken to my soul self and go through all of that pain, and एक एक करके हर किसी को हील करना मैंने सीखा. And the last stage which goes through your whole journey, and it still goes through me after being feeling complete within myself, it still goes on within me, is surrender. जितना ज़्यादा सरेंडर आप इस जर्नी में करोगे, उतना ज़्यादा जल्दी आप यूनिवर्स को टेक ओवर करने दोगे, यूनिवर्स को आपको हील करने दोगे. एंड जितना जल्दी आप ये रिकग्नाइज करोगे कि आप डिवाइन हो, लाइक ईच एंड एवरी सोल, यू आर अ पार्ट ऑफ डिवाइन, यू आर अ पार्ट ऑफ गॉड, जितना जल्दी आप अपनी डिविनिटी को एक्सेप्ट एंड ऑनर करोगे, उतना ज़्यादा जल्दी पेन ख़त्म होगा, उतना ज़्यादा जल्दी आप इवॉल्व करोगे. यूनिवर्स आपको बिना इवॉल्व किए नहीं छोड़ेगा, नो मैटर हाउ मच यू वांट टू गेट आउट ऑफ दिस, या फिर हाउ मच यू वांट टू गेट दैट पर्सन बैक. दैट पर्सन विल नेवर कम बैक until and unless you have completely forgotten about that person, because all of your attention, all of your power, all of your energy comes back to you. And the most important lesson is unconditional love. Unconditional love towards yourself. कितनी भी गलतियाँ तुमने करी हो लाइफ में, कितने भी प्रॉब्लम्स झेले हो, कितने भी रिजेक्शंस मिले हो, कितनी भी जजमेंट तुमने अपने अंदर रखी हो, until and unless you convert everything, every judgment, every rejection that you face towards yourself, that is here within you, towards yourself, your soul, and towards others as well. कितना भी इस सोसाइटी ने हमें डिविजन सिखाया हो कि काला गोरा मोटा पतला, दिस रिलीजन दैट रिलीजन, दिस नेशनैलिटी दैट नेशनैलिटी, कितने भी टाइटल्स हमने सीखे हो कि कोई मिडिल क्लास है, अपर क्लास है, लोअर क्लास है, until and unless you recognize each and every individual as a soul and as unconditional love and union within yourself, like everything around you is in union, and you are in union with everything around you. What I mean to say is ki you are not separate from the universe, you are in union with the universe, and each and every soul is in union with the same universe. ओके इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हर किसी को आप लाइक विदाउट एनी बाउंड्रीज आप उसको हाँ तुम भी अनकंडीशनल लव हो, तुम भी सोल हो, तो यू विल हैव टू हैव योर बाउंड्रीज ऑब्वियसली, बट you will never have that intense hatred or judgment or or any division in your mind towards the other person. You will never hold any ideas towards yourself or anyone within your mind इतना डीप कि आप उसको हेट कर रहे हो, एंगर या रिजेंटमेंट में रह रहे हो, या किसी भी ऐसी एनर्जी में रह रहे हो टुवर्ड्स द अदर पर्सन. बिकॉज वंस यू रियलाइज डीपली दैट एवरीथिंग in this universe happens in a pattern, in a way, every soul is a part of this universe itself, you will realize the unconditional love. That is when your journey comes to a level of completion. Of course, the inner work goes on always, but this intense feeling within you and intense want and need of the other person, वो तभी ख़त्म होगा जब आप हर किसी को एज अ सोल रिकग्नाइज करोगे, अपने आप को एज अ सोल रिकग्नाइज करोगे, अपने आप को अनकंडीशनल लव में लाओगे, यूनियन में लाओगे एंड नॉन डुअलिटी में लाओगे. तभी यू विल बी एबल टू कम आउट ऑफ इट. If you want to know how I did that, if you want to go through each and every lesson with me, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you are able to come out of it very quickly. Not very quickly, you will have to surrender, but quicker than you would do it by yourself. Please come on in this journey with me, and please stay tuned for more videos on Twin Flames. Please like if you liked my video, and please give me suggestions on what topic you would want to hear next. Please comment down below. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you. Bye bye.